My bitch in the back of the bank. Yeah. They can't cost a couple of stacks. We fucking no strings attached. Procrastinate, relax. We cover that.
Motor bang. What's up, guys? It's your boy Manny, and we back with another video, guys. Yeah. Today I'm gonna do a POV, right? Yo, I don't got a head mount, so I'm holding the phone to my head like that. Type shit. I don't know if y'all can see. Type shit. Yeah. But today I'm gonna do a little POV in my turbocharged Kia. Yeah. And I'm not gonna try to talk y'all there, so cause I want y'all to hear the car too. Cause she sound beautiful, I ain't gonna lie. Hold up. Let me get gas. Let me get gas real quick. Yeah. Oh shit. That gas. I don't know about all that, never mind. That price too goddamn high. Prices like that make you want to ride a bicycle, bro. Hell no. And I can go like 2 blocks down and get it for like 301 type shit. So I ain't going for that. No.
This light. Then use the right lane to take a slight right turn.
Come on, go up in your TRD. I know y'all heard that downshift. Hold on, let me crack that so y'all can hear this shit. I know y'all nigga hearing that shit, too. Yeah.
Miles. Take exit 48 onto Route 109 toward Milford.
12 miles, I say look. Give y'all a little session type shit. There's a little cut-up session, yeah, but we ain't go OD. We ain't go OD. I just gotta get it right for y'all one time, you feel me? But I'm thinking I should also get something else out of the way type shit. Like, tell y'all what's gonna be up for this year. You feel me? Cause this year we on a different ball game, bruh. I know y'all haven't seen me post in a little minute, I ain't gonna lie. And it's because I've been grinding type shit. I ain't talking no little baby shit either. I'm talking like I've been grinding, twin. You feel me? I got to get to that bag. I ain't gonna lie either. This year, well, this month, it's been pretty good so far. The month's not finished yet, and I've achieved a decent amount of shit. I ain't gonna hold you. So I'm proud of where I'm at right now. Well, I could have done a little more. I feel like I should have done a little more. But I ain't gonna sit down and, you feel me, stress that, cause guess what? That's already going type shit. That's already gone type shit. So all you gotta do from now on is just put the work in type shit. But guys, let me tell y'all from now, I don't want, most of y'all niggas hit my phone talking about I'm MIA, this and that. I'm not MIA, I'm just putting in that work, twin. It's no bad blood, no beef, no nothing like that, twin. I'm just doing more. You feel me? Cause I got a whole lot of shit to achieve this year. I got a whole lot of shit to do, my boy. So I don't really be on that talking shit like one time, twin. Plus, when y'all niggas hit my phone about girls and going out and spending money, not making money. I'm trying to talk about making money, how we can make money. That's what y'all niggas should be hitting my phone about. You feel me? Y'all niggas not hitting my phone about that. Y'all prefer to talk about females like 24/7. And I ain't going for that this year, twin. Talk about going out, going out, females, this and that. Nah, twin. And then some of y'all niggas gossip as hell too. And I'm not only like saying this for the niggas. This go for the females too, shorty. If I'm be honest, I don't want nobody, bro. Cause y'all females be distractions too. You feel me? And these days it's hard to find a girl that got a similar mindset like me type shit. You feel me? A go-getter mindset. I wanna get shit done. I wanna be productive. You feel me? I got my goals and all of that. Most of y'all females, I don't know what y'all really on, twin. But y'all look attractive and shit, but that mindset, what you got up here in that dome, not attractive, shorty. And that's just being honest with you. You feel me? And that's just the type of nigga I am. You could look like a whole dime, a whole nigga, a whole Benjamin. You feel me? But if your head ain't on your body, you ain't got the right mindset, I'm not gonna be attracted to you. I ain't gonna lie. I'ma get annoyed easily. I'ma get dumb triggered, dumb tight, dumb every fucking thing. You feel me? So that's just what's up. But ain't no bad blood with anybody. A couple people hit me like, why you ain't answer my message? I ain't gonna hold you, bro. Between my job and me hustling, I be busy ahead, son. I be busy ahead. I promise you that. So, yeah. That's just what's up for this year. I ain't gonna lie, I got some goals pertaining to YouTube as well. I'm trying to get more consistent. I'm trying to drop at least 100 videos this year. It's the 300 and some days in the year. I'm trying to drop at least 100 videos. You feel me? And that's what's up. But with that, I'm gonna need to start getting consistent on YouTube, start getting consistent on Instagram. But I don't really like the media like that too. So, I don't really be on the media like that. You feel me? I go like a month or so without posting anything really. Cause as I said, I be in my bag, twin. That's what's up. That's where my head is at. You feel me? But yeah, type shit. That's what's up. I got a few goals for this year that I ain't really go speak on. Nah! This Infinity trying to get into it, I didn't peep that shit. I bet. Say less. Say less, my nigga. Say less, my nigga. He took the exit. Cause that nigga was on my bumper OD hard.
Oh, no,
Like, I didn't peep that shit, bro. But yeah. I had to pop my shit one time for me, yeah.
Miles, take exit
Yeah.
to Route 109 toward Milford.
Yeah, that's what's up.
Via Cedar Street.
That's what's up, my boy. But hold on, I'm gonna pick up by the camera in a second. Type shit. Bro, I'ma just... This is... You feel me? I don't even know, twin. I'ma just get gas. I'ma just fill her up, twin. I ain't even go sweat it. Cause either way, I'ma put gas in the car. Ooh. Shorty little Hyundai going skirt. Yeah. Yo, I don't like getting shot. I know I'm not the only person who be getting shot. Let me put in my discount. Cause gas prices be crazy. I ain't gonna show y'all it. Nah. If I know you, then we can, you feel me? I can let you get some gas cheaper. You feel me? But if I don't know you, twin, I ain't giving you my number. I don't give you my number. I ain't giving you that. I ain't going for that. You feel me? That's what's up. Yeah. Ah, y'all almost saw some shit that y'all shouldn't see. Yeah, you know we finna put that 89 in it. Psych.
We understand. Nobody wants to talk about cancer.
Let's see how much you gonna take for the full of you.
And you could be 10 times more likely to survive if you detect it early.
That's what's up right now. That's what's up. I should dead go in the gas station and get something to eat, because I haven't had anything since this morning. If not, I might hop over to Mickey D's or
Oh, no, the kid is the bad.
something. Yeah, that's what's up. Oh, I need to replace this. But I know if I go to the dealership, they go charge me an arm and a leg. And I ain't going for that. I prefer snatch one of these one of these cars type shit. Cause I ain't going for that, bro. I ain't gonna lie, she dirty your head right now. She dirty your head, son. But shit. I'ma pick up at the camera when this shit is finished. You're telling me she just drank. What's that? $52 worth of gas, bro. And she not full? Nah, son. That's OD. That's OD. Hold on. It is not yet 3 of the clocks, but I'm going to my casa. Me go to mi casa. And I lay to a machine on the way to mi casa. I wind down window so you listen to mi casa. No, mi car. Mi la vroom vroom. Y'all hear that blow up though? Listen. There's a hole right there, shit. Let y'all hear that downshift. I know y'all heard that downshift shit, man. Let me pull the window up a little bit, cause that breeze should be going crazy in y'all ears, man. But yeah. Man, let's be honest. Would y'all do something like this? What if they told you they're paying you like $20 US an hour to stand up right here in this costume and wave and try to get them some customers? Yeah, and you got to do that for like 10 hours for the day, Tasha, and you get an hour break, and you get a paid break as well. So that's 20 times 10. Would y'all do it? Tell you shit. I mean, y'all ain't got much doing. Y'all just standing up waving. Well, I don't know. Still, I don't think I'll do it. I don't know. I hope they paying her good though, cause she out there in the snow, she out there in the rain, she out there in the sun. As y'all can see, the sun is beating right now. Sun is beaming. But yeah, we We heading in right now, type shit. That's what's up. That's the little POV slash little talky talk slash how much it takes to fill up the turbocharged Kia. Even though she not even full, twin. I know if I were to full her, it would probably come to like almost 60. For my car, for a sedan of like my type, she packing some decent horsepower. But listen, I'll make y'all hear this shit. Bear in mind, I'm barely touching the gas. I'm not flooring it or anything. Y'all heard those bourbons? Yeah. That's not floored either. That's like a half press. She went from 20 to 80 in no time, yeah? So y'all out there in y'all caddy pass, y'all 330s. That gear down though. Y'all out there in y'all 330s, y'all little scatty packs, y'all SXTs, RTs, even them Hondas right here. Yeah, I eat those, bruh. Yeah. Yeah. But I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video type shit. I probably got something interesting coming soon for y'all. You hear me? So I'm gonna let y'all know what's up. I'm gonna let y'all know what's up for sure. I'm out of here. Neighbors gonna be pissed. I know my neighbors love me. Let me wind up my window because the one just pulled up a while ago. I know you done tired. But yeah, stay positive, chase your goals, set your dreams down, and work towards it.
Kid season, you're crazy.
All of my diamonds to hit, I believe it. If you got money, then give me a feature. Straps on my body, I feel like a cheetah. Shawty, she want me.